Vice pumalag sa paliwanag ng airline company. Nadismaya sa isang airline company si Vice Ganda. Humingi naman ng dispensa ang naturang kumpanya. Nagpaliwanag sila sa nangyaring aberya para sa flight ni Vice at Ayon. We would like to express our apology for the disruption and inconvenience you have faced during what should have been a joyful journey. We truly understand your frustration, and we are genuinely sorry for the trouble this has caused you, pahayag ng airline company. Your concerns about overbooking have not gone unnoticed. We are here to assure you that we take your feedback to heart and are committed to looking into this matter immediately. Pero ayon kay Vice, taliwas sa sinabi sa kanya ng airline staff ang naging dispensa ng airline company. Aniya, hindi yan ang sinabi sa akin sa counter. Ang sabi ng staff, flight was overbooked and my seat was given to another passenger. Magbato-bato pick na lang kayo ng staff sa counter kung sino sa inyo ang palpak. Yung panalo libre ko ng round trip ticket via Cathay Pacific.